Hi, my name is Brandon Lee, and I had a 3,000 graft FUT procedure at the Sharma Clinic. The surgery day was pretty good. I got here and I was extremely nervous, but the staff did a pretty good job at calming me down. They said, hey, everything's gonna be fine. Everyone was very professional, and they joked, which helped a lot with the procedure because I was very like, okay, things are going well. We went in and I got on the table, and Sharma did a very good job at affirming me and saying, hey, everything's gonna be all right, and what do you want to listen to? And I got on there and just kind of laid, and it felt like the day passed by. Well, at first I looked like a blimp when I got home, and that wasn't too good because I thought, oh, what have I done? But then it went away, and as over the weeks went by, I thought, okay, this is going pretty well. And it went so well after a couple weeks that I ended up just not thinking about it. Like it just became a normal part of my life. I just like a guy with a shaved head. Really, really anticipating that final result. I'm at this current moment not really even thinking about the effects of the hair transplant at all. It's just become part of my normal day-to-day life.